Hi there and welcome in my third tutorial for HTML and web structure, and in this tutorial I will talk about links and images. As you can see, I have fundamentals of my page, which is HTML tags, head and body tags, also title is included. So let me start with the image first. How do you import or use the image you want on your page? So basically you use this tag, img. It's an image tag, and you also need to specify the source of that image. So basically you use img src, and src stands for source, and in the quotation marks you basically specify the link or the name of that image. Now, which one you use, it depends on where the image is. If the image is somewhere place else than your page, you will need to use the link. Now, if the image is in the same place as your page, you just use the name, and that's it. And I have prepared an image, also it is in the same place as this page, so I just use the name and also extension type. You also need to include extension type, or I would say file type, of that image, for example JPEG. If you don't know what type of image you have, you can basically go to properties of that image and you will find out very shortly. So there is no actually problems with that. So this is how you do it. You can also add some kind of comment, like this is an image, and you can close it like this. Or you don't need to use this one and just close it like with new HTML, like so, without all of this. You can close it like this and write something here. Now, if you want to add some kind of comments, you can also align the text. When you use extension align for the image, you don't align the image itself, but the text. Which is like a comment to this image. So basically, if you want to align it, for example, to the top or bottom, left, right, something like this, you can use that. Also, you can size the image with the height and width. So actually I'll show you. You can basically put any number. You can make it however big you want or however small you want. But remember that it has some kind of limits, as the pixels will get real big or real small. So it depends. But you can size your image, of course, with height and width. I will show you height, and so this is what I will show you without the height first, so you will see the difference. Save. Okay, so that's the image without the height. It's a bit smaller. Not this one, and I'll make it 300, so you will see the okay, so you'll see the difference. Now 5, and it's a lot bigger now. So you can size your image as well, and that's pretty much basically it about the images. You can also use images as the links, but that's something else. That's with the links, and I won't talk about this actually. Okay, so break it, and I will show you links now. Now links are more, I would say, sexy, more interesting, as they allow you to link your pages. So basically, how you use link, you will need this tag A, and it probably stands for anchor, and with this you will need to use a hyperlink or hypertext, I think hyperlink reference, which is written like this, href, and equals, and the same condition applies here. If your page is in the same place as this one, for example, then you basically specify the name, you write the name and .html, and that's it. But if it's in different place, you will need to use a link, so where it is and the name and stuff like this. And again, I have previously created a page, a sample page, not very something useful or something like that, just to show you. I will use the name because it's in the same place, so like so, and I will close it. Well, you can probably close it like this, but I would prefer for you to do something like this. I don't know, I haven't tried. I used all the HTML all the time, and if you don't write anything, you won't see the link. Basically, you need to write something. For example, you need to write something to see the link, and close with a. If you write something, you will see that's the name of the link, and this is where you will go. So when I save this, later on, when you learn more about CSS and HTML, you can change the color of the link that appears. So if I click it now, you'll see this is second page. Of course, the URL changes. It's not some kind of trickery. It's just second page. If I go back, you will see different URL. So basically, I link those two pages. Okay, so that's how you link them. But there is more to it than just linking them. You can also do the anchors, and that is basically something useful when you have loads of information on your page. Let me break this couple of times, a lot of times, and I will write a link here. And how you do this? It's called the anchor, and you have one link, for example, here, and when you click it, you go to a specific section of your page, and it works like a navigation tool, and so you can go to specific sections or even specific sections of different pages. So you will load different page and go to that section straight ahead. So how you do it? So first of all, you will need a link which you click, but also you will also need the place where it will go, specific place where the link will move you to on the page. So first of all, I will do where the place is, where the destination is, and it goes like this: a, and the name equals, and you specify the name, and let's say go, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you do it. A, name equals go. I will write something below. I don't know. Whatever. Doesn't matter actually what I write. And I will add another link here. href. Okay. And equals. And now, instead of giving a page like HTML or something like this, I add this asterisk and the name, which is this, the name of that link, the destination, which is go. Also, you need to specify the name, some kind of name for the link, like to be visible, like you did with this one, click me, or go below, I would say, below, like this, and you close it with a. So let me just save this and show you. Actually, F5. Okay. Okay. So you can't see this, and you can't see this. Actually, wait. Let me make it smaller. Okay. So now I have this page. Okay. Below you have this text. When I click it, you will see it will go to this. Well, the page is very, I will need to make it small, like this. So basically, it will go to this text, or well, basically to this place. You can use it with different pages as well, as I said. But as I said, you need quite a lot of page, space taken, so that it will work. Actually, if you have just one page and you can't scroll it even, then you don't need to use it, because there's no point. As you can see, there's not much happening here, a bit, but nevertheless, that's how it works, and that's pretty much it. I think I wanted to show you those things actually. If you want more of those tags, I have the third tutorial created, which is written. You can see more of those, but those are plainly text editors. So it will edit the text in specific way, so that it will be different than normal text on your page. For example, sample will make the text look like sample text, pretty much just formatting the text. Also you get the challenges. So if you want to, you can just download this and read it through. If you want more specific knowledge, I just wanted to, this video is about just showing you how this works, most of them and most important ones. So this is the end of this tutorial. As always, visit my webpage and YouTube channel. If you like this video, subscribe, and I will see you next tutorial, and bye.